Hello everybody, this is Ogany Supreme here with another tutorial on how to program in Turing. Today we're going to make a program where it shows a star, and that star starts at the very center of the screen, and then it moves around at random, and then when it touches the edge, it teleports right back to the center. This is an old favorite program of mine because it taught me how to make movements and everything like that, so I think this program is very cool. Now this program has a lot of commands that we've never seen before, so I'm going to show you each command and tell you what it does. So the first thing we're going to do is set the background color. So we're going to type colorback like this, and then yellow. Normally you would have a number here for color to represent 0 to 255, because there are 256 colors in Turing. If you want to like download a color previewer for Turing, if you want to know. So this sets the background of the text that will be typed to yellow. So if I put hello, then run, only the line that says hello is yellow. So now we're going to make a for loop, let's say for I, and then one, actually I'm going to make it for row 1 to 25, and then put repeat. Now this makes a repeat, so then you put in brackets what you want to type. In my case is a space, and then a comma, and then any number. I'm choosing 80, so it's going to put this 80 times on the same line, and then it's going to loop 25 times, so it's going to make 25 by 80, and that is 25 is the amount of rows in the program wizard, and 80 is the amount of columns, so you can fit 25 lines and 80 characters. So now we're going to set the color. Now I'm going to use 12 because I know 12 is red. For example, put hello, it's red. So now the color is 12. Now we're going to set the screen by typing set screen to no cursor, like that. So now there's going to be no cursor on the screen. Now we're going to make a loop and declare a variable var row equals int, which equals 13, because in between 1 and 25 is 12 and a half, rounded up is 13. Now var column equals int, which is going to equal 40, which is the center of 1 to 80, because there's 80 different columns. Now we're going to set another loop, then make an exit statement. Exit when row equals, actually, it's greater than 25, or row is less than 1, meaning if it touches the edge, or column is greater than 80, or column is less than 1. Now I'm going to show you guys something with exit statements. If you have a long exit statement with a bunch of conditions, you can just go like this and make a tab like that, and it's still in the exit statement. Then you just exit that tab. So now we're going to locate row column. So this is going to locate on the grid, if you will, the row variable and the column variable. And then we're going to put a star, and then dot dot, so that it lets it move right and left. Now we're going to make a delay by 100. So delay, you just type delay, and then you write in brackets milliseconds, the amount of milliseconds you want to delay. Now keep in mind, there are 1,000 milliseconds in a second, so if you wanted to delay it a full second, you would type 1,000, but that'll take too long, so I'm going to delay it 100. Then we're going to delete the star by relocating row and column, and we're going to put a space. Now we're going to make a random integer, so randint. I'm going to type randint like that, for random and then integer. And then I'm going to type my variable, which is row, and then my minimum. So this is the absolute minimum it can be, which I'm going to make it row minus 1. And then the maximum, row plus 1. So it can't exceed row minus 1 or row plus 1. It can either be row minus 1, row plus 1, or it can equal row again. So now we're going to do the same for column, like that, and then we can end the loop. And then the reason why I have this in a loop is when it touches the edge, it's going to exit this loop, and then it'll go right back to the center, and it's going to be declared as 13 and 40 again, which is the center. So let's see if it works. Well, the star's moving. See what happens when it touches the edge. This may take a while because it's all random. Oh, come on, get to the edge. Just gonna keep moving, huh? Would you touch the edge already? Come on. See? It just teleported right back to the center. So, that is how you make that program, and I'm gonna save it to my Turing codes. I'm gonna call it our moving star. And I'll replace it, I don't care. So, stay tuned for next video when I teach you how to make the star move by typing in the arrow keys. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel for more. I am Ogany Supreme, logging off.